Hello friends, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing well. Our lesson today is about the display. And before we start the lesson, don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the ring button and like this video. And let's start our lesson. Display is responsible on your items view in the website. We have three values for display, which are block, inline and the inline block. And let's start compare between them. For example, if I have these three divs here, and each one have the different background color. And let's go to the CSS and start with the first one, which is block. Let's call our div and choose the display block. You see, when you choose the display block and without determining the width, it will take the full line or the full width. And if you want to change the width, it's not a problem, it will change as you want it. And let's change the width to prove that. Width, enter. Let's change the width to 50%. How you see it changed the width without any problems. And let's delete this one. And block value takes a break for the element which comes after it. How you see, they are not in one line, each one is in the different line. And also block accepts every changes, for example padding and the margin or anything else. Let's change the padding, for example padding, enter, and let's choose the 10 pixels. How you see it makes padding 10 pixels. Let's choose the greater number, for example let's choose 20 pixels, and let's use the margin, does it will accept it or not. Let's choose 20 pixels. I see it make margin also without any problems. And let's learn the second value, which is inline. Inline value makes all elements in one line or one beside another, means doesn't make a break for another element. And let's use it practically. Let's choose the display, enter. Let's choose the inline. How you see, it makes all elements one beside another. It makes all of them in one line. And the inline value accepts the padding and the margin only from the right and the left. Doesn't accept it from the top and the bottom. And let's use it practically to prove that. And to prove that, I think we need another element here. Use this one, paragraph, and write inside it block. Let's go to the CSS and choose the padding and the margin. First, let's choose the padding, enter, and then 5 pixels. How see it makes the padding from the right and the left of the words. And let's use the margin, and let's choose the 20 pixels. I see it only makes the margin from the right and the left of the elements, and it doesn't make the margin from the bottom and the top of the elements. And this is the difference between the inline and the block property in the CSS. And the last property, which is inline block. Inline block is almost like a mix between the inline and block value. Let's use it practically. Let's delete this one and let's change this one to the inline block. Enter. Inline block value makes all elements in one line and accepts the every changes on it, merging, padding, and all of them without any problems. And it accepts the merging and the padding from all of these sides, not like in the inline. Inline is accepting the merging and the padding only from the right and the left, and inline block accepts from all sides of the element. And let's use it practically. Let's use the margin. Let's choose the 20 pixels. How you see it makes the margin from all the sides of the elements, and let's choose the greater number, for example 50. How you see it makes the margin from the all of the sides of the element. Let's make it small to be more clear for you. And this is what is the display inline block and the inline block values. And here we finished our lesson. I hope every information is clear and you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the ring button, like this video and share the video with your friends. And thank you so much for listening.